Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I have the zip file in my PC. Just right click on it and select cut option and then go to this PC and open the drive that has enough space and right click on the blank area and select new and select folder. Name this folder games and double click on the games folder and paste the zip file we copied and then go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it. Select the virus and threat protection and select manage settings. Scroll down and select add or remove exclusions and select yes. Select add an exclusion and select folder, and you just need to navigate to the games folder that we created. Select the games folder and select folder option, and the games folder has been added to this list. Now just to close stuff here and open up Chrome and search WinRAR download and select the first site. Select the WinRAR English. After the download and click on it and install it. Select yes, select install and select OK and done. And now right click on the zip file and select WinRAR and select the extract to option. After the extract done, open the extracted folder. Again open the game folder and now just right click on the game icon and select show more options and select to send it to desktop create shortcut and launch the game through the newly created shortcut. And as you can see, the game opens up without having any problem and you will never face any game related problem guys. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.